Students, good morning. Students who are in the online, am I audible? So, lot of students, less. Why are you sitting separate? The two in like this. Sit with you also. Especially, I don't want to come and sit with everybody. Last 4 members, come and sit with everybody. Don't sit separate. Last 4, come in. So now I will move to the further. Students, yesterday I prepared some important facts. Some facts I prepared it. Some small use case I prepared it, which is most useful to you. In series only, because I'm preparing some deep learning content, I found that some new parts. Of course, you can do that, but easiest way, something I found that I want to share with you. I prepared it because once if I move forward, in further if that is coming, you have to do very easily. That's why I prepared some small extra points I'm prepared. Just come to the point back once and see. Jupyter notebook. So today is very less. I know that. So there is one student who is my almost 2010, I think so. 2010 Java student is a Adri. Just now he called. Just now he called me. And he was called in early 8 o'clock 22 minutes. And I was in the class. And he called at 9 o'clock 4 minutes. Is Adri. He is there. If he come, I will introduce in the class. He is a B pharmacy student that time. He learned Java from me. And how he used to answer, like a small kid he will answer. Now he is there in big company. Adri, his name is. Every answer he will tell. Exact answer, what I said in the class, exact answer he will say. Whatever the answer I used to tell in the notes, same answer he will say immediately next day. In the same day he won't say. Next day he will say as it is. Do you think that he will butify? He will programmatically work on it and he will say. So he will come today after so many years. He just now came to Hyderabad morning and he kept the bag in his friend room. Is coming to me. So take rest and evening you know, sir, first I want to come to you. So like that. So when you get a job, you also come and meet me. Okay. Okay. You will forget. I know that. Okay, students. Now I'll move to the further. Online students. Now I'll move to the further. So come to the point of it. Yeah, I will go for something like this. Look at students. S is equal to NP. First, let me import. Import. I will ask some task here. You try to answer it as NP. Import here. Pandas as PD. As PD. Okay, Siddha. Okay, ma. When you come to Hyderabad, I'll meet you, sir. Okay, most welcome. So now I'm going to say S is equal to PD dot series of I'm having some values 12, 34, something like 15 and 8 and something 22 and some 10 and some value called what something like 8, something like -4, like this I'm having. So I'll print the data. Now I just done. This is the data I got it. Now I'm asking, how do you find the first highest value? There is a max. There is a max, huh? Okay. How do you find top 2 highest values? Top 2 highest values. How do you find? To find the max, you will apply what? Max function. Max function you will apply. Correct or not? Max function. When I say max, you will get the highest element. Okay. Now I want to get what? Top two elements, not head of two, not head of two. Head of two will give you just first two elements. But my question is different. Top two means what? Max two elements. First max two elements, I mean to say. For that, what do you do? Very good. Good. Come on, yes or dot. Sort underscore what? Values. Values. What should I do? Ascending. Ascending is equal to what? Ascending is equal to what? False. You know already. Ascending is equal to false. Now you write what? Yes dot head of what? 2. Yes dot head of 2. Am I getting? Yes dot head of 2. Of course, it is not placing there. It is not placing immediately there. It is giving first two elements only. Are you following? Here, you did not understand. Here, you got the values and you put it into where? If you want, I will test it once. In place is equal to what? True. In place is equal to true. Okay, good. Print of what? Yes. So you got them. You got them. That is available now. Yes dot what? Head of what? 2. Head of 2. Are you getting or not? Good. Got it? What is the another way? What is the another way? Yes of what? Yes of colon what? 0 colon what? 2 na 3 na? 2. Okay. 2. See the answer now. What I got it? This is another way. You know already now? This parts you know already. Correct or not? Well, now, so coming to that, now here, my dear student, prasad.py. But sir, sometimes there must be 3 duplicate max values. You write imposition and series allows both same type of values, different type of values, all types of values. I said, I never said that it is a unique values. Did I say that unique values? So for some doubt also required something. Are you following that? So Mr. Prasad, concentrate. Now I got it, this type of data. Now you come to the point back. Print of what? Yes, I got it. Yes, I got it. This is the first things I am getting. How do you get the last two? Last two. So you will apply what? Tail of 2 you will apply. Yes dot what? Tail of what? Tail. Whether it is having duplicates or whatever it is, first two, last two, something like that, I want to get it. Tail of 2, it will give you what? Last two, I got it. Coming? Now, if I want to get it, last two also, yes of what? Yes, very good. Minus 2 colon, you are getting the same answer like this. That means already you are perfect in that area. Now I'm going to take up this data. I'm going to enter into this place. Some special point I want to say. This is, I'm going to get it, this data. Now I'm going to write it. Yes dot, yes dot, n, LAR, largest, n largest. Are you following me? Yes dot n largest. Yes dot n largest. You see that? Yes dot n largest. It is giving you what? All the elements are coming in which order? Descending order. Now I am going to write it. Please follow me carefully. Now I am writing simply called what? 2 I am writing. 2. I am writing 2. What I am getting? 34, 22. Good facility or not? Yes. So if I want to get it, first this entire thing, directly you can write it. You take these values. You take these values. Here I am writing. In this place, directly I can say yes dot print of something like this. First two largest elements, print of first two largest elements. First two largest elements. First two largest elements. Come on. Yes dot n stands for what? Number of largest of what? 2. Largest of 2. So you got it. Are you getting or not? Easy or difficult? So doing sorting, after that applying our technique, that is okay. We already perfect. And this also giving you much confidence or not? I hope you are getting. Similarly, I will go for what next? In the same place, I will go for what? Smallest. Smallest also. Go to what? I will apply here. N dot what? S dot what? N smallest. N smallest I am applying. N smallest I am applying. What I am getting it now? Is it smallest elements I am getting or not? Smallest elements I am getting it. Are you able to follow, students? So here the smallest elements are coming, and that too these elements. Why 2 times is coming? Right. Print of what? Yes. So it is printing 2 times here. So I hope you are getting 2 times. Why you are getting here 2 times? Print of? Yes. Okay. Yes. By default, you are getting this type of thing. Are you able to get it? Yes. So it is going to give you this type of elements are coming like this. You are applying what? N. S dot what? N smallest. N smallest of what? 3. I want last smallest of 3. Am I getting the data or not? Yes. So you take it. When you go to any marks awarding, when you are going for mark, this is useful to you. When you are going for example, go for JEE mains. JEE mains, you go for it. There are many students which will secure same marks or not. That time, how can I list out the first 5 top marks, last below some 5 marks, last below 5 marks? Like that, I want to go for it. I will apply this type of thing. First largest 5 marks I want. Those people got 300, 300, 300. I will not get only 300. 300, 300, 300. What is their all ticket numbers also will be there. So the JEE, the awarding the percentile and then calculation of percentile and everything easily implemented by using deep learning algorithms. In that, I found that series related method called what? N largest. Did you understand this concept? Shall I move forward now? So what is the concept you understand here? N largest and one more is N smallest. Well, coming to next, some more small technique I want to apply. Dear students in online, did you understand this N largest and N smallest? Last class, some few functions I said. Today also you got something more. S is equal to NPD dot series of, I already said to you student, 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40 comma 50. This is the one. Print of what? Series of elements. Series of elements. Series of elements. Now I am getting print of what? Yes. This is my data. Now I am going to give you. Now I am going to give you yes dot what? Print of what I am saying? Mean. Mean I am saying. Mean is equal to, how do you find out that? Yes dot what? Mean. Mean of. Next is called what I am writing, you know. Sum is equal to, come on. S dot what? Sum. S dot sum. Do you know this? Do you know now? Sum. And the next is called a print of what? PROD, product. Product is equal to S dot what? PROD. PROD. Sum of something like this. Mean of like this. Next is called what I am doing, you know. Median of. Median of. I'm saying something like what? Median of. So like this, I just wrote it. This is my data and I'm getting this data or not? This is written separately like this. There is one function is there. Aggregation is there. Spell out. Aggregation means what? Printing all at once. Printing all at once. How do you write it? Yes, a dot. AGG. Spell out. AGG stands for what? Aggregation. Of course, these are all different styles I am writing. Number one, I want sum. That sum indicates its function name. Comma, I will write what? Comma, I will write what? PROD. PROD. Comma, what I am writing? Mean I am writing. Next I am writing what? Median I am writing. Just I'm writing something like this. Now I'm getting the data like this. Are you following me? Yes dot agg. Now I'm going to get it. It is also one useful function. Right? The more logics if you get like this, s dot agg, I'm going to get it. Are you able to follow? So I have some discrete samples are there. I have some number of samples are there. Somebody want to get it, this much of information. I will simply go for aggregation concept. What do you mean by aggregation? Getting all the values, cumulative. You can call any of the function names you can call, but keep in mind, I have to keep it into list format and you need to go for it. Did you understand this? Fine. So like that, I just prepared one small example, students. Of course, that is there already. I said now. Some most important points I prepared it, which I want to share with you. So where is that? Some important points, notes and series. Just to try to observe it. Here I am having today one small point also. CSV file already you know now. CSV file with the dates also I am going to take dates. Date related parts also will come. Because these are all deep learning, machine learning, data science level. Almost I am trying to introduce more things. And you come out of that. In this CSV, I got it. And first of all, you just try to go for this place. I will show you that. Did you understand this now? For this CSV file, you leave it. From here onwards, you observe. For this, I found what? Some data. Performing what here? Aggregations. Performing aggregations here. This is my series data. Performing aggregations. Aggregations means what? Printing of all the elements. S dot mean. What is the mean value coming for that? For the above values? This one. S dot sum. This is a value I am getting. S dot product. This is a value I am getting. And here what I am getting, S dot AGZ of mean sum product. This is the result we are getting it. And you have seen the result or not? Understand, ma? Next, coming to, this is called performing aggregations. What is the function name? AGZ. This is a separately we are performing. This is all at once we are performing. Working with missing values. Already I said you, once again I am trying to give you a small point here. Missing with what? Coming to this. Now, how do you count the number of not none values? How do you count the number of nan values? By going for size, count. Size and count. Which one will count? Count will count what values? None. Yes. No. Count will count only. Right. And what about the size? That will one will write minus and other one will give you what? Nan values. Okay. Right. Instead of that, that is you are doing some operation there. But we want to do directly want to find out. What is the function name? Sorry. Yes dot is now. Not nan. Drop now. Skip now. Like that. Is now means what? Is one now. Mudubavulu. Is one nan. False. Is two nan. Is three nan. Is np dot nan. True. Is np dot nan true? Yes. What are you doing there? S dot is now dot what? Sum. In this Boolean array, it will do what? Summing. False plus false plus false plus true plus true. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1 plus 1. You know, in our beginning days, false means what? 0. True means what? 1. In the beginning days of our bool data type, see how Python is available to you. That is sum. False, false, false is 0. True, true, true is called what? 1. So the value is called this one. So what is the question there? Finding number of nans. Finding how many nans are there in my missing data. In how many places my missing data is available in my analysis. To find out that I will use what? Is nan dot sum. Is non dot sum. The very, very useful concept for you. So I'll go to this place. I'll go to this place. Now I'm going to put it here. Online students. See students, it is going to give you which data? Boolean data. Other students, internally, if you go to any of my classes and there is a data type, under that fundamental data types, under that bool data type, I used to write internally, true considered as 1, false considered as 0. False considered as 0. On Boolean data, we can perform arithmetic operations called what? Boolean arithmetic. See, here I wrote it. This is our beginning days, sweet memories of Python. See, expression level, binary data, hexadecimal data, these are all called different things. This is the basic for you to understand this kind of things. Now I will write what? Yes dot. Come on. Is nan. Is non. Dot what? Sum. Sum. What did it give you? Is now. Okay. Is no. Okay. Is no. Good. Is not dot what? Sum. Is not dot sum. Close it. So you are going to get what? 2. You can also print what? Yes dot what? Come on. Size minus yes dot what? Counter. That also will give you what? Print of what? Number of nan values is equal to comma. I will write it. I'll write it. One small thing. Of course, in the beginning, I must write it. I must write this. So I will write dot format of what? Yes dot size, and this part I say number of nan values. One more brace. Is it okay? Number of not format, S dot size. One more. So here, number of nan values. Is it number of nan values or not? This point already you know, but it is called what? Programmatically, more concentration is required. Is it simple or not? Yes. I hope you are getting it. Are you following? Yes. Go to the next. Here, searching the values. It's one more small new I found it that I already said. This is my given data and what I found it. N largest. It is giving in the form of like this. And next is called what? Yes dot what? N largest of 2. First 2 values only coming here. Now I said one more important point. Yes dot LE. Yes dot LE. This is also one important. It's also useful. Yes dot LE. What is LE yesterday? Come on. Less than or equal to. What is my value here? 5. I compared yesterday what? 2 series object. Today I'm comparing what? Series value with a scalar. Series value with a scalar. So what is this value? Yes dot LE. What is my yes? This is my yes. Take this data. Here I am taking. Yes. Start with what? Is it the same value we take it? Less than or equal to? What is this? Come on, what is the first value? 10. 10 less than or equal to 5? False. 5 less than or equal to 5? True. 3 less than or equal to 5? True. 2.5 less than or equal to 5? True. 8 less than or equal to 5? False. 11 less than or equal to 5? False. It is also one of the important point. One of the important point. So there also you need to require in price prediction system, this is required. In price prediction system, it is required. So this is going to be, what is this now? Yes dot here, of course. I will write what? 1 minute more. Yes is equal to, or otherwise, yes is equal to PD dot series of what? Prices. Now you say, this, what is the fill value? If any null values are there, if any nans are there, that time you will come across what? Right. Now I am going to take it. NP dot what I am taking? One nan I am taking. What is the answer now? What is the value? 0.0. Filled with what? 0. 0 less than or equal to 5. true like this. Are you following? Something like that. Now I'm going to take up LE comparing with the scalar value. That is the speciality here. If any nans are there, you'll put the 0 here. I hope you are getting it. It's like GE also you can apply. Greater than also you can apply. Like equal also you can apply. All sorts of functions you can take care. Online students, I hope you are following me. Next up, we can use in this case what? Smallest also, n smallest also. I already used to mention the note. Like earlier I used, what is that? N largest or not? Today we are using what? N smallest also you can use it. Are you following, students? So this is how a small values I used to say. In this space, especially, you are supposed to get it. Is a nan, is a no, yeah. Is a no dot what? Sum of. Next is called what? N largest, N smallest, and applying the greater than or equal to, less than or equal to with a scalar comparison. This is what is the special points you need to get it. Right. Bonu, good. So coming to the point of it, yes, Shinde, very good. Now, good preparation. So this is what the things is done. I already said what is the use of this. When I am introducing any function, I am telling the use of that. These are useful in analysis part, I said. And especially if you ask again, what is the use of it? These things I already used to say in the programming. Function name, its purpose. Function name, its purpose. Now I'm going to enter into the one CSV file. I will take it. Everybody knows that CSV file importance. You know that? Yes. Now I'm taking some data.csv. I will take this data.csv. Here I'm going to take one CSV file. How to create a CSV file? In my class, there is a CSV file concept is there in every moment of it. Any class you take it, there is a CSV file. There is a CSV file. Even dynamic creation of the CSV file, number of examples on it, deals with what? Employee data. And I used to take up, student. It is called one CSV file. Next is called like this you can take. And I used to tell what is the use of CSV file. CSV.reader, CSV.writer, dictor reader. This entire notes I used to explain in the Python. Today, it is a dead easy for us because already we worked on where? CSV file. Now I am going to keep it, that data. What is this? Date, product, price, cost, profit? Column names, header names. These are called what? Records. Take your own format. Year, something they taken it. You take your own style, no problem. You take your own style. Something like, 3, 9, or you take present day, 9, 3. Now you take it what? 20, 24. You take it something like, 10, 10, and say 2, say 10, 2, and say what, 20, 24, you take it. Take your own system of date, student. Take your own thing. 31st, 12, 2023, 2023. You take like this. Now say something like 26, and next is called what, 5, and next is you take 2023, you take it. Like this I took it. These are all called what? Dates. Hyphens you take, whatever the format you take it. Save this code. Save this code. Now I am saving into where? Go to this place, your location. Shamala K is requesting remote control of your screen. Decline. Go to the place. Because they are doing screen, they are going to do recording. They are recording. Because busy, they are busy and they want to record. Later they will listen. Listening or not, that is different, but they want to record it. We'll decline it. So coming to the point back. So I'll go to this place, pandas exclusive. In this place, I will keep it in series. I'll keep this now. What is this now? Something like price. Price dot what? CSV. Price dot CSV. It is going to be price dot CSV. Something I wrote it. Save it. Within the double quotes, you need to save it. The moment when you go to that place, the moment when you go to this place, so in this case, exclusive, under series, you have one CSV file, Excel file, Microsoft Office separated comma values. Click on that, you are going to get like this. These are all called what, something is different. What is there? Did I do any mistake or what? So what is this? 10, 2, so something like 10 to 2024. In this place, something is having B place 2024. Okay. So 2024, 2023, 31st, here also something is cutting there. Okay, that part I'm not worrying about that dates and all because I have separate discussion with pandas level, data frame level, dates I will take care. That you least bother students. Now my interest is taking one of the column name. After finishing this, actually supposed to get it, you try, you'll get it 100%. Why this is coming? So having something here. Okay. Okay, it is having smaller in size. That's why it is going to be showing like this. Okay, got it, students. Are you following? That cell width is little low. That's why it is like this. Okay, let it be. Now let us move to the further. So here it is done. Go to the place. Now my requirement today is I want to get it those values. Which values I want to get it? CSV file data I want to get it. So in that place, I will take up in a separate format. From the CSV file, import NumPy as NP, import pandas as PD, pandas as PD. Now I am trying to read the data. Which data I'm going to get it? Which data I'm going to get it? CSV file data I want to get it. To read the CSV file data, we are having PD dot. We used to read the CSV data by writing a very big lines of code, at least 7 to 8 lines of code. But here, there is a function name called what? Read underscore CSV. What is the function name? Read underscore CSV. In our Python, normally, when you want to read the data from there in 6 p.m. or in any of the classes which I taught to you, reader example 1.py. Just to try to look into that. I used to create CSV dot reader of FP and I used to take that CSV and I used to print the data and almost I written some 12 lines of code and I used to get this type of data in the form of tabular format. Similar manner, if you want in pandas level, if you want to read that, read underscore CSV and pass what here? Absolute path you need to pass. Absolute path of which file? CSV file you need to pass it. Now, total data of the NumPy, remember, it depends on CSV students. Data sets we can call. CSV file is nothing but what? Data set. How do you pass it? Where is my absolute path? You try to bring it pandas exclusive under series and this is my price.csv. Carry this entire path and try to place it here. Try to place it here. Now I'm going to paste it. And what I'm writing? Price dot what? CSV. And already the other batch students must be known. You need to write what? Double slashes. Already you know the significance of double slashes in the packages level only. And that will be continued in this entire thing. This will return, since it is having more number of columns are there, this is called a column number 1, column number 2, column 3, column 4, column 5. It is just looking like a tabular format, correct or not? Looking like a tabular format. Definitely this is not a series. This is a two-dimensional format. It is called what I said already. Data frame. Data frame. Spell out data frame. So that I want to go for it. This read underscore CSV. Read the data from CSV file. Put it into left side one variable. That variable is called a data frame object. Print of what here? X comma type of X. X comma type of X. Please look at this carefully. What is coming? Date, product, price, cost, profit. What is that now? Data frame. Data frame is called what? Class. So this CSV file basically used for what? Data set. Data set. If you want to do banking operations analysis, weather forecasting analysis, or any predictions, if you want to do it, data set is compulsory. If you go to interview tomorrow, they will ask you what? They will give you some questions on that data set, and to this questionnaire you need to answer it based on the data set. They will give you the data set in the form of which file? CSV file. That CSV file I got it. My requirement today is, this is definitely not a series. So series will contain what? One dimensional array. That means either a product column or what? Price column I want to take up. For example, X of product. X of what? Product. X of product. Just I am saying that X of product. Just to print it. X of product. It is printing only the product. This is called a series. This is called a series. You print here one more thing called what? Comma. What is that? Type of what? X of product. X of product. You say X of product. Are you following this? X of product. I hope you are getting this, students. So here I am getting, what is this now? Series. My requirement today is, if anybody asks you, how do you take out a particular column from where? Data frame. That time, the technique which I am saying is useful. This is one technique. Anyhow, I am introducing in the data frame level. And if all of a sudden there is any case is given on where series kind of case study is coming, you need to apply this kind of concept. How I got the series? X of product, I got the series object, and I can do many more operations on this. Last and final, X is equal to, S is equal to, what I am doing? X of this product, I am saying. X of this product, I am going to say. And print of what? X comma, type of what? Yes. Now you are going to get this now. It is strictly called series. So rather than doing this entire thing, series object, I got it. Rather than doing this entire thing, there is one small concept is available. What is that? Same to same, read underscore CSV only. Read underscore CSV only. Now I am writing pandas dot, what is the function name? Read underscore CSV. And you need to specify what? Absolute path. You need to specify comma, some extra arguments I'm going to say. What is that now? User calls is equal to user columns is equal to which column you want. You need to write what name there. Column name you need to write comma. Squeeze is equal to true. Squeeze. What do you mean by squeezing? Fixing. Squeeze. So I'm going to write it. Squeeze is equal to what? True. Squeeze is equal to true. That means we are squeezing by taking only this column name, and it returns what? One variable name. One variable name you are taking. That variable name contains a single column only. That single column data is called what? Series. This is another way to prepare the series object from data frame with the CSV files. Are you getting or just bouncing? Is my time is wasted by saying all these things or getting? You have to get it. Even if you don't get it, I will say this entire things, because getting this entire things is very, very important. But this type of thing is already deprecated. Deprecation, deprecation in module level, IMP module, deprecated on import lib module, that are all called what? Deprecation. Deprecation means what? Old in future. Later what happens, this is deprecated. This is deprecated. Deprecated. I said the meaning of deprecation in the class. In the present versions, do you know what they did? After all these things, you are going to do same variable name. Instead of writing squeeze is equal to true, you remove that attribute. This entire thing will be going for what? This particular column only will come. This particular column only you are squeezing to put it into this series. Dot what? Function name you are writing. But the function name, instead of attribute, you are saying what? Squeeze off. Squeeze off. This column name you are squeezing in keeping into which object? Series object. Are you following this now? So coming to this is recommended to use it. Recommended to use it. Recommended to use. Are you following? So what is the main importance here? From the CSV file, how to get a single column. Normally you can say, because already we learned it. Series is a part of what? Data frame. Data frame is a two-dimensional. Series is a one-dimensional, because every series is a part of what? Two-dimensional. That single column I am fetching it. That single column is this way of normally, and another way of most professionally is this concept. I hope you are getting it. So let us come back to my small scenario here, which I mentioned it. Here I mentioned it with, this is what I am trying to say, with the read underscore CSV. By default, the pandas read underscore CSV function will import data as which format? Data format. ps.read underscore CSV will give you what? This entire thing in the data frame object format. That if we want the data to be imported into where? Series. Instead of where? Data frame. We can provide an additional arguments called what? Use calls. Use calls. Use calls. I wrote what? User calls. Use calls. Which columns? What column you want? One single column only you need to mention, because single column only will present into it. This place. Use calls and squeeze attribute, and the squeeze is true, will convert data frame one of the column into what? Series. That column name will become the series name. How do you give the series name? Series of object comma d type comma index comma d type comma name, I said very recently. That name, that column name will become what? Series name. So how do you give it? pd dot read underscore CSV data dot CSV use calls product squeeze is equal to what? True. Answer is coming, but you will get the above code is deprecated. Deprecated. So in modern approaches, what you will do? Same thing you use it, and user calls, and then what? Squeeze off. Getting or not? So that point, I just want to bring it here. So this part I am going to carry on this place, and I am trying to use it. In this place, I am trying to say, you try to get it. This is my place. I will try to write it. This place I am writing. At the same time, I will bring it, students. I will bring it here. Here I will write it, saying here. This XC, anyhow, it is going to come. If you want to print, I can say data frame object, data frame data, and the print of what here? X comma type of X, X comma type of X. You are getting it. And there you are writing here something like this. And you are going to get it something like yes, you are writing, and the print of what? S comma type of S, S comma type of S. Are you following? Data dot CSV, this read underscore CSV. This is for data frame. You can directly write this is for data frame. And another way of writing this entire thing, I will bring it. This entire thing I am copying. and putting into this data CSV file. Are you comfortable, students? This is a data frame data. This is a read CSV with the arguments I'm passing. Here only file name I passed it. No use calls, no squeeze attribute here. Comfortable? Huh? This is what? Data frame. Here I'm trying to write what? Series object I'm getting. So if you try to get it, here you are getting one type of thing. CSV got unexpected argument called squeeze. So this is squeeze is equal to true is becoming here what? Problem. Because in this, if this is too lower version, you will get it. If it is a little advanced version, you will get deprecated, you will get it. So how you can get it now? Come to the same point. You will be getting here. Try to get it now. What is the function name now? Try to get it. Squeeze off. Same thing. I'll try to get the same thing. Here I will get it. In this place, I'm trying to post this now. You say here, what is the function name? Squeeze off. Squeeze off. Try to say. What is this now? Price dot. What is this now? Price dot CSV. So try to print this data, students. No? E colon, yes. E colon, this is. E colon. So you are going to get it. Are you getting or not? E colon. In Pandas exclusive series, that entire thing, we are getting this data. What is the name of the product? Product is called what? Column name. And this is getting something like this. I think students, you are getting me. In this case, you are getting what? Totally, this is removed also. And removed. When you execute in little higher version than this, you will get deprecated. Little older than this one, you will get what? Deprecated. Now this is a new thing. It is totally removed. Which one is used? Squeeze off. That's why even in internet, if you try to work on something, older things cannot work on present things. That's why deprecation modules must, deprecation documentation you have to read always. Understand, students? So what is this total conclusion says? Suppose I want price related. I want only price. What I will do now? I will take it as what? Price. What is this now? In our CSV file, price is there. So in this place, what is there? Something is available here. Price is also available. Try to run price. You try to execute. You try to execute. Price is coming here. You try to go for profit. Profit related things if you want. Profit related things you can take it. Profit related things. And you are going to get that profit related things. Are able to get it? So this function is useful. How we can get a single column of our CSV file. This is the function is useful. And this data frame, after finishing this small example, one more, I will enter into this. Clear up? Fine. So what is the special concept here? What is the special concept today? Squeeze. And this concept deprecated or some versions of Jupyter Notebook, it is already removed because I used a recent one and it is already removed. And here the function is squeezed. I hope you got it. So if you execute on this system, if it is not coming, don't feel that that code is wrong. And this is the code we need to use in the present things. Understand? Fine. Let us, this following cases is clear. Now I want to introduce in one of the company very recently, if one of the, because this I took it from one of the Stack Overflow, some website is there or not? It's a forum, it's a discussion forum. There I found one small case study. I just wrote a code for that and I want to present to you. So let us go for some problem solving now. Problem solving on series. Try to see. I wrote the code also for you. Let us watch this. Some important use case. From first understand the question. Don't see the code. Don't see the code. Now, from raw data below, create a pandas series for this data. For this data, you need to create what? Series. Series you need to create. Do you know how to create a series of elements? How do you create? Come on. Row sum, rom, and Travis, Anil, KVR, np.nan, car, dog, cat, like that. Print this you need to take it in the series. Print all the elements in which case? Lowercase. Print all the elements in which case? Print the length of all elements. Print the length of all elements. This is what you need to do it. So how we can do it? This is what I am trying to say. Shall we do that? Go to the place. Now I am going to take up new notebook, some case studies. Now come on now. Import what? Pandas as PD, import, NumPy as NP, NumPy as NP. Now you need to create a series. Come on, fast, create. S is equal to PD dot series of, PD dot series of, or you can take this entire thing in the form of what? List. List you take it. This entire thing, simple. You take in the form of what? Names. Names is equal to what? You say this entire thing, put it in the form of that. What do you do immediately? Names. Well, print of what? S comma type of S. Got it. These things you need to print it in the form of what? Come on. Lowercase. Some of them are in upper, some of them are in lower, and some of them are one letter upper and one letter small, like that. Are you able to follow? Something like this. So some O capital, something like what you know, T capital, like this I am having. For example, this is my data. Now I want to give you everything into smaller. Do you know how to give everything into smaller? So already I taught to you in our Python level itself. You go to this Python environment once and you have to tell me now all the students which are from different batch, try to take care. Take care is what? Names is equal to. Where is that? Okay. Import what? NumPy as what? NP. NP. Now you try to do that. Names. Got it. Now I want to print everything in where? Up, lower, upper, anything. Now I will say, I will take LST is equal to, LST is equal to. So I know I know you are out of order. Now I am going to take up for name, for name in where? Names, for name in names, for name in names of what I will say? Name dot lower of. Beautiful. This is comes under which concept? Comprehension concept. This is not necessary to write what? str of. Is it necessary to write str of? No need, because by default it is str only. No need to write it. Don't take additional risk of it. Name like that. Now, what is happening? Yes, this is there, nan is there. That is called a float. That is also important. You have to take the risk now. What is that now? Very good. So str of. So to become a doctor, you have to kill three members. Then you will realize, oh, unnecessarily somebody has done. So error is coming. You have to do. And what is this now? Float object has no function called what? No problem. Second patient also killed. No problem. Go for what? Go for what? str of what? Name. str of name. Not that entire lower. str of name. Dot what? Lower. Lower. And one extra brace. Okay. One extra brace. So third patient also gone. Just missing. Now print that LST here. Print LST. Then are you getting everything in small or not? Yes. Then next time no patient should go out. So because already beginning common. And this is done. Are you following me? Yes. So overall together what? Get it into this now. Get it into this now. Are you following me? Since nan is called float, then you need to take care students what? str of what? Name dot like this. Print what? What is this now? Lowercase is equal to comma what? LST. Got it. Uppercase. How do I get it? Come on. Dot upper of. So I will write upper of. Already we said all the str functions I said or not? So many functions I said. Print what? Uppercase. Uppercase. We are going to get everything in where? Uppercase. We got it. Next I want to find out what? Length also I want to find. Length. How do I find length? Go to that place. Here I am going to write it. What I will write it? So I will write it. len of what? Name. len of name I will take it. len of name I will take it. Print. What happens? So str. Okay. Yes, yes. str of name. Correct. str of name. And then say print of what? LST. Print of LST. I got it. If you want names and then length, like a dictionary, how do you go for it? You go for that in the same place. You take it like this. What is this now? str of what? Name, colon, len of that. Are you following me? Yes. Say this part and print of what? LST. Don't think LST is not a list. It is called what? Dictor. These are all called comprehension. Dictor comprehension explained or not? Yes. See that row sum 6, something like that. Everything got the data. Are you following? This is already done. You want to see that name also in uppercase. Uppercase text you want. You will be upper of str of name. Yes. Name dot what? Upper of. str of name dot upper of. Extra brace here. Upper of. Yes. So coming to the point. LST here, uppercase, everything is coming. Are you getting this? Now go to our problem statement. Go to our problem statement. See that and look at that. Easy. What is my question now? Print all the elements in where? Yes. Go to the place. Like this, they will give you that. They will give workbook also for you. Workbook means notebook under them. This is a notebook. Which notebook? Conda notebook. Instead of saying anaconda, you have to say conda. Say once. Conda means not hill. This one. So this is called what? First case. First question. Print all the elements in where? Lowercase. Tell me quickly. Lowercase. Lowercase names is equal to. Tell me. Come on, fast. I will say, from where are you getting? From series. Earlier I took it from where? List. Anything, no problem. Come on. Say, take it. Come on, students. str of name. str of name dot what? Lower of for name in. Yes. That's all. That's all. If you want to get these things in series, I will go for what? PD dot series of I can take it. Print of what? I can say lowercase names, print of what? Lowercase names. Are you getting or not? You are getting. This is in the form of what? List. It is coming in the list. If you want lowercase names in series type, say what here? Simply say what? PD dot. Come on, students. Series of. Now, print this lowercase names. Am I getting that everything in lowercase or not? Yes. Getting off? This is called what? Preparing the series of names. Prepare. Here I will write. Prepare. List of names. In where? Series of values. It is a given data. This is a given data. In series I printed. Okay. Next called what? What is my next question here? Next requirement. Print all the elements in which case? Yes. Come on, guys. Answer my question, everybody. I'll carry this now. In uppercase, I will get it. Same thing. In the case of what? List, I will get it. List case, list type, list type. Previously also I will say what? Which type, students? Which type? List type, list type. Getting here, come on, upper, upper off. So I'm writing here upper off. Upper off I'm writing here also. You try to write it upper off. So there also I will write it upper off. So I wrote it. Just to try to print it. Am I getting everything in this way or not? Yes. If we want this everything in which type? Series type. Series type. I will say here. I will go to series type. Series type. I will just go for what? PD dot series of. I will just go to series of. Now I will go for this now. This is the data I got it. If you want them in where? Ascending order. Go for what? Come on, apply by yourself. There is a chance of getting that also. What is that? Simply I will write what? Sort underscore what? Values. Values. What I will do? Ascending is equal to what? False. Suppose if you want in ascending order, sort of values. So, uppercase names in where? Ascending order. Ascending order. It is going to be keeping like this. See that, students? Anil, car, cat, dog, caviar, nan, ram, rosam, Travis, RA, R and R same. O is next or not? Like this. This is only the questions will come to you in the written test. They will give one data set. They will ask you what questions they will give. They will give one list of employees. They will ask you what? Get first top, get first 5 rows, last 5 rows, middle four from so and so place to find the highest salary, find the lowest salary, find the second highest, find the first second highest, find the least lowest. Like that they will ask you. Sort the elements in ascending, sort the elements in descending. Remove the duplicate values, remove the null values, find the number of nan values. This only will come across. And I'll present a lot of case studies are there with me. I'll explain through data frame. Okay now? Because to understand those things, I'm preparing well for this kind of things. Getting, students? Next, I will go to one more kind of thing is what, as I already said, print all the length of elements. So go to the place. Now I'm going to take it, this part, in the form of what I'm going to say. Oh, in the form of what? Dict. List, if you want to list, better to go for what? Dict. That is a more readable, right? So how do you do that now? As I was written the code already, can I bring this? Yes, I will bring this code. I'll bring this code. Comprehension code I wrote it. This I will go for what? Names with length. But when you are writing any kind of thing, students, I'm recommending one thing. When you are using variables now, take easily spelled out words. Names with length. Even interview also spell out. Names with length. It will contain, it should give the feel of output. Like that you do. Don't write names space with length. If you give 24 errors will come. Because no spaces are allowed within the variable name. You take like that. Now I'm going to say, what is that now? Names with length is called what? Dict type. You know that now? So now here I am writing names with, what is this? Length. Names with length. Am I getting or not? How do you print that now? If you want to print, because names backslash t, and what I am writing? Length I am writing. How do you write it? For name comma length in where? Names length. Names with what? Length. Names with length. Names with length. Dot what? Items of. Print of what? Print of what? Name. Backslash t. Dot format of what? Name comma what? Length. Name is called key. Length is called what? Value. Names and lengths I am getting it. Are you okay? Names and lengths I'm getting it. Getting or not? So like this, I got the data. Like this, I had already said in my Python class how to find the highest length word also in our normal Python class also I said. That concept. If anybody asks, find the highest length name, you can easily find. Are you following? So these things, highest length age also you can find. You can get, you can call the function called what? Values. Values you sort it. When you sort the values, what will happen? Highest one will come and that corresponding things I will take it. Dead easy. So once you know Python, you will just play with anything. Once you don't know Python, Python will play with you. So you take care. Doll want to play with you now, or you want to play with the doll, you take care. So coming to the point back, is it clear? Go to, this is one small requirement. This is the one. Is it useful or not? Yes. Did you understand if this is given like this, will you do that? Now, sometimes what they will give? They will give you like this. They will give you this CSV file. They will give you this CSV file and they will ask you, what is the total cost? What is the total cost required to buy all the products? What is the total cost required to buy all the products? Which function? Some function, some function, some function. What is the highest product price? Max function. Find the first two highest product prices. N largest. Find the last two product prices. See how simple it is. Is it not analysis? Yes. So like that. Print the products in descending, print the product prices in descending order. First squeeze them. First get the prices, squeeze them and apply our N largest to N smallest. Are you getting or not? Find the most highest product. Find the most highest product, most profit product. What is the most product here? D. What you will get it? Profit, maximum I will get it. In that, what I will find? D. Like a name. Names are coming or not? In our example, highest name coming is with what? Rosam. Rosam is having 6. Nothing but what is my highest product price? D. Is it not finding the maximum length of the name? Like that. This I will post it. After going to home, what you do is, do this task. Total product prices, total profit, maximum product price, least product profit, least product price. You apply all these things. Already functions are there now. Try to do it. And what next? If I sell out all my product, what is the mean profit I will get it? Median profit I will get it. And which product I am selling more and more? That is called mode. Yes or no? These are all called analysis parts. If you go to Amazon centers, if you go to any of the projects, this is a minimum requirement for you. Almost you are entering into the data, except I am not introducing the algorithms of data science. So you can do this by using MySQL also, but MySQL is for what purpose? To store the data permanently. But I'm doing what? I'm not storing, I'm analyzing. I'm analyzing the data. Analysis is meant for what? And MySQL is meant for what, which is already explained in the class, for storing the data permanently. Even I will tell you, getting MySQL data into data frame. SQL AI Chimmy, there is one module is there. SQL AI Chimmy, there is one module is there. Third party module. With the 2 lines, I'll get the total data of MySQL into what? Data frame I will get it. And once you go on discussing like that, you'll feel Python is simple. And pandas, matplotlib, total life is there only. Are you able to follow? Can I introduce another small case study? Look at. Now I'm going to take up S is equal to space row sum. Even I did not explain so far to you. What I'm going to say, print of what? Yes. What is this now? What is this now? Which is space? L space. L stands for what? Left. To you, it is available left or right? Left. So I am writing x is equal to s dot L strip. L strip. Say x dot L strip. పలకండి అది ముద్దు బాబులో. Print of what? X. X. What is eliminated? Yes. ln of what? S. 14. ln of x. How many? 6. What is eliminated? L strip. L strip is removed. In our data science, when the person submitted the name of the person, enter your name, and the person is sitting with a friend, and cursor is waiting here. Scroll bar is by keeping without knowing, he kept the space. Space bar he put his hand, and cursor is waiting here. Cursor is waiting that time here. Here. Entering Rosam Guido. Entered. And this entire thing I don't use to store it in my database. Because unnecessarily taking unnecessary spaces, taking more time or not, more space or not, what I will do? Cut it, cut it, cut. What is that? L strip. Palakanda. L strip. What is the use of L strip? Eliminates what? Left padded spaces. Left padded spaces. Spell out. So you see ln of s is called what? 14. After L strip padded removed, what is happening? ln of x contains what? Row sum. That means 14 minus 6 is called what? 8 spaces I pressed it. Did you understand? Easy or difficult? Easy. When we explain, everything is easy. Next, look at so seriously. Row sum. Row sum. Space, 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 space. Now tell me. Beautiful you are. Super you are. So print of what? S1. Print of S1, comma what? ln of what? S1. ln of S1. Close. What is happening? Row sum printed. Gap is there. And 17. So 6 plus what? 11 spaces. It will become what? 17. Why I printed 17 here? If I print only S1 now, you will print, since you are Madhubabu, so you will print that only row sum printed, but actually here there is some spaces there. If I print LEN there, you will feel that some space is there or not? Following or not? Right. So come on now, go to this place. This is the one. Now I am printing LEN of S1. Now I want to remove which space? Right padded spaces I want to remove. Come on, say. Come on, X, Y is equal to what? S1 dot R strip. R strip. Spell out. R strip. So print of what now? Y comma LEN of what? Y. So got it. 6 got it or not? Yes. Any doubt? Any doubt? Come on. You are looking at me. Do you have any doubt like that? I understand your movements every time. So because I like you to give the subject. Space, space, space. Row sum there. Space, space, space. I said. మీకు ఏం కావాలి నాకు తెలుసు. What you want, I know. I will see. Come on, print of what? S comma ln of S. See that? Here there is a spacing. Here there is a spacing. Here 20. Understand? Now I want to eliminate what? L strip and R strip. L strip and R strip. Come on. Something like Z is equal to S dot. S dot. Come on. L dot. S dot. Strip off. And you are there. LR strip you are preparing. RL strip, LR strip. Strip off. So come on first. Strip off. What? Yes. Yes. Print off what now? Z. Z comma what? LEN of Z. See that, students. So what is happening? Z. What happens now? It is removed. What? I don't know. What is removed? Strip off. Yes. Strip of S is done what here? So here it is removed. Only strip. Okay. Yeah, correct. So I unnecessarily passed the data. So I'm looking at your brain. That's why. So done. Print of Z. Print of Z. Print of Z. Print of Z, students. Gone. So I passed unnecessary extra parameter. Extra dose is given. Finally, patient is survived only, but extra dose collected by garbage collector. So what are the functions you understood? L strip, R strip, strip off, strip off. Do you know that? Can I ask one question? S is equal to Guido, 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 Van Rossum, Guido Van Rossum, Guido Van Rossum. Here I am having like this. Come on, print of yes, print of yes, 22. Strip off. Will it work? Is it padded with left or right? No, it is there in where? Middle. Middle. So print of Z. Will it remove or not? Will it remove or not? So it will not remove. L strip or strip will not remove the spaces in the middle. That time I will do what? You will use what? Split it. No, you have to write a code for it. You have to split it. You split it. Come on. S dot what? Split off. S dot split off. So KVR here. I just said print off what? KVR. KVR. You see, now I have no spaces because splitten is not taking any argument. Space separated words. Space separated words. Guido, space. Yes, one word. Van, space, one more word. Rosam, one more space. Done. I will do what? Some join. Beautiful. K is equal to or something like K is equal to some space. K is equal to K dot join of KVR. This concept I already said to you. Already said or not? Yes. Nobody will explain all those things. Any of the other batches also. I used to explain. Is it coming or not? This is a technique. This is also one question. Go to that now. Come on to the problem solving next. You come to this code I wrote it. Even more than this also I wrote it. In our example, here I just write normally only. Series is constructed, a lowercase is constructed, only lowercase data, uppercase data. But in my example, all lowercase, uppercase, everything is there for problem solving. You carry on this example you see. Now you see series second. From the raw data below, create a series. Space row sum, Hunter later space, space John, John space, Richie no space, Richie no space. Are you following? Come on, guys. What this is called? Left padded data. Left padded data, of course, require. What this is called? Right padded data. What this is called? Left padded, right padded. How do you eliminate? L strip. How do you eliminate? R strip. Strip off. No strip, nothing is there. Print all all the elements after stripping spaces from left to right. Left to right means what? L strip. Next up, print all the elements, removing the spaces from where? Left only. Left to right. Left to right means what? Strip. Left to right or right to left, both the spaces I want to eliminate. Next, left only. Left only means L strip. Next, right only, R strip. Both left to right or right to left. That's all. So here schema, strip off. First case, strip off. Next case what? L strip. L strip. Next is called what? R strip. R strip. Are you following? Case study I gave and solution also available or not? This is one thing. One more thing. Very popular. Very popular. Now I'm going to take up. Of course, easily you will understand. Create a series from raw data below. Single quotes, India underscore is underscore big. Underscore. Next comma. Population underscore is underscore huge. NP.nan has, India has diverse culture. right? That means Telugulo politicians are saying భిన్నత్వంలో ఏకత్వం. That is called prajaswamyam. So I don't know in English I don't know properly, because you may be knowing some diversity of culture. Are you following? India now recently conducted one culture of India, one festival also. You don't know that? Because you are doing WhatsApp festival daily. So, okay, students, come to the point. It has the first value, second value, third value, like that. Come on now. Split the individual string, whatever comes, and create a list out of it. Use what? Split off, hyphen, underscore hyphen. So I will take this line, I will take this line, and I will show you. Only this line I will take. This examples also I used to tell in our classes. Split off apple, hash, mango, hash, kiwi. In that apple underscore kiwi hash, I used to tell that example. Why I used to tell that example? Because our thing is this only. This part only I want to discuss. This you take it. Some s is equal to, you try to get this data. Try to get this data. Now this is the one. Go forward. Some x is equal to, come on, s dot split off, double right, like this. What is this now? Print of what? X. X. Are you getting? This is called what? One list. One list I got it. This list are there like this. This part I will take, ma. This part I will take it. See that. Here I am going to. Because you have to do this. This is my data, students. What is this is called? LST is equal to. LST is equal to. This is my data. What is this? First value, second value, third value, fourth value. Now, come on, come on. Now I need to go forward. TOT list I will take it. TOT list is equal to like this. Tell me now. For value in where? LST. These are all case studies, problem solving things. Come on. I need to write it. 1 minute ma. Val dot split off. What is that? Underscore, underscore. You will write it. This I will take it. TOT list dot what? Append off. Append off. You know, append 11 to 13 functions I used to tell in list. Then no person will explain that. But I already explained. Why I explained such a things? Why you are feeling today just a dead easy? Because of Python is everything is a backbone. Print that. Now see that. What happens? Yes. Good, good. Yes. Now coming to that. What is this now? Yes, beautiful. STR of what? Value dot split. Yes, beautiful. Print of what? TOT list. TOT list. It is having list in list. List in list. Inner list. Inner list. Now I need to go for what? This entire thing I will go for what? Join. Join, no. If I join it, what is happening? It is becoming list with another list, it will become. What I do? I go for, I will take it here. Some k is equal to some space, I will take it. Some space, I will take it. Here I am writing for value. Value in where? TOT list. Online students, I hope it's very interesting if you feel. Otherwise, bounce. This is called what? Value means what will come? India is big. This will come. This will come. This is called a list. The total list of values coming. Correct or not? Come on. For word in where? Value. Value. Okay, beautiful. K is equal to what? K dot join of what? Word. K dot join of word. Yes. Yes. Print of what? K. Oh. Something happened. So, going to something happened. No problem. Here I will carry. No problem. So for value, for word, what is that? Join of what is next done? K dot join. After that, so no problem. Let us come to that. You see this? Come on, split the individual strings into what? Come. Come on, how do you do? Same thing. Whatever you have done it, you are printing the series or not? Next, after that, what we applied? Split. What we are splitting? That words splitting. That words splitting you are doing. After that, what are you doing? Creating a total list, a flattened list. We already seen that. Now that we are going to get it. Now let me take up this entire thing. Create a series first. Create a series. I'll try to show you this example in this place. In this place, I'm going to show series of it. Series 3, pd.series of this entire data you try to take up. In this place, I'm taking list of that and print this. As it is, what is printed? First list value, second list value coming or not? None. What are you doing next? You are splitting the words. How do you split the words? See this. Split this now. Get this part. What are you doing there? See this now. For element in series 3. What is the series 3 first element? India is a big. What are you doing? That element str dot what? Split. What is coming? Splitted words. This you are getting. Next also you are getting. All splitting things will come. See that? This is what already we have done in the previous place also. Done. Done. Got it. This entire thing, what I am doing now? I am flattening. Flattening means what? Not list in list. 3 by 3 matrix, no. 9 comma, I want to do it. Flatten, ravel, some functions I said or not. Like that, we are doing one logic. What is the logic you see? Flatten list I am taking. Come on, what I'm just only thing is I forget to write what? One L I forget to write it there. So go to this sublist in where? List. What the sub list is coming? Take these things, you come to this place here. Flatten list you are taking. Access the individual elements of list. What is the list splitted? This one, correct or not? What are you taking? Sublist. Sublist means this one you are taking or not? What are you doing there? For L in where? Sublist. For L in sublist, what is coming? India. India is appended to whom? Flatten list. Go to where again? Sublist. What is the next? Is. Is flatten list appending. Again you are printing that lines, that separate lines you are printing, and you are also appending to whom? Flatten list. Flatten list. Appended. Printing that letters and then doing that. And finally, going to, this is completed. Going to which loop? Outer loop. What is the outer loop? Population is used. Again, population. Next is called is. Next is called huge. You are going to get it. And see this data now. Last line. You see. It is printed or not? This L printed. Print finally what list? Flatten list you printed. You will get the correct word of India. Flatten list. You see what is coming. India is a big population. There I will do what? K is equal to some space. Now K is equal to K dot join of what? Flatten list. Print of what? K. Now you are going to get India is a big population. India is big population, is huge. Nan has something like diverse culture. Are you following this? This is the subject. What I missed there, I used beginning only without appending. I just said that joined. So that is the point. Are you able to understand? Is it interesting or jumping, bouncing? Interesting. If you know. And I printed finally flatten list. Okay, now? Most useful Saturday special. How is this? మనం చదివితే కదా. Is it good? Right. So day by day, expect in data frame, lot of already I printed. I'm waiting for this, where it is. Google Play Store data, Google Play Store data, this data I will take. What are there? Nan is there. Some places nan is there or not? How many nans? Is not dot sum. How many nans are there? I will fill with some value. I will do lot of calculations. Lot of calculations I will do on this. To do all those things, what we require? We require this type of talent in the subject. Okay, this I will post it as it is, students. This problem solving. And don't miss Monday. I will go for what? Data frame I will introduce. Okay, now data frame, very important. That will take lot of case studies, lot of functions. I'll explain. Small review. Once data frame, see what I am going to tell. In 2023, 1 year back, and now 1 year back tripled I increased. Come to that. Pandas. You see, one formula sheet I will open. Mind blowing. So mind blowing. These are all called formulas. These many formulas are there. Like our trigonometry, before going to IIT or something, formulas are very important. Digits nobody will ask, but digits are important or not? These formulas are superpower. Python base for all these things. Okay now? So Python, one more new batch is starting. New Python batch is starting on 4 p.m. 4 p.m. on maybe 13th, I think so. 13th May, 13th March. 13th March, 4 p.m. It is starting. Any friends are there? Tell them. But before telling, conditions important. 3 conditions you tell them. And you are observing the 3 conditions. Day 1, what I said? Am I violating that? No. So you have seen my commitment that you have to tell to the friends in the same manner. Okay now? Tell to the friends. So VSP Kumari. Okay, mom. So now Venkata Krishna Veni. Attending Saturday class is very much interesting than remaining days classes are okay. That's why Saturday is special, because some people are in underground now. That's why. So okay, mom. So okay, Sai Charan. Okay, most welcome. Okay, ma VSP Kumari. Okay, now I'll start. So this person is calling me. Okay, students. So I'll stop my class and yes, Suresh. I'll stop it, and Monday class I will go for what? Data frame. Don't miss the classes. Very important. Saturday, 6 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 7 o'clock. Don't miss out. On 13th, 4 p.m., new batch is starting. Any friends are there? You can tell them. Okay. Thank you. All the best. రిలయన్స్ బిల్డింగ్ దగ్గర అక్కడ ఉన్నారు కదా, ఇక్కడ స్టూడెంట్స్ వస్తున్నారు చూడు, కిందికి దిగి వస్తున్నారు. ఫస్ట్ ఫ్లోర్కి వచ్చాయి స్టూడెంట్స్ నీకు ఎదురు వస్తున్నారా? ఇప్పుడు కిందనే కదా, ఇప్పుడు ఈ రిలయన్స్ ఫ్రెష్ అనే గుడి పక్కన ఉంటుంది ఒకటి. గుడి పక్కన ఉంటుంది, తెలుసు కదా నీకు. రిలయన్స్ ఫ్రెష్ ఉండేది ఇంతకుముందు ఓల్డ్. ఫస్ట్ ఫ్లోర్ లో ఉంటుంది ఆ బిల్డింగ్. ఇప్పుడు రినోవేట్ చేస్తున్నారు. అది ఫస్ట్ ఫ్లోర్కి వస్తుంటే ఇప్పుడు స్టూడెంట్స్, మన స్టూడెంట్స్ కిందికి వస్తూ ఉంటారు. ఆడ కాదు, ముందుకు రావాలి. ఇక్కడ ఒక దుర్గామాత టెంపుల్ ఉంటుంది. ఇక్కడ ముందుకు రా, అట్లనే లెఫ్ట్ ఇట్లా ముందు ఎస్ఆర్ నగర్ పోయే రూట్కి వచ్చేసి. ఇంతకుముందు షెడ్ లో ఉండేది కదా నా క్లాస్ అప్పుడు. అదే అట్లనే ముందుకు వచ్చాయి. ఆ షెడ్ దగ్గర కూడా ముందుకు వచ్చాయి అట్లనే. అప్పుడు చెప్తారు వాళ్ళు. ఆడ ఒక చిన్న గుడి ఉంటుంది ముందుకు వచ్చేటప్పుడు, ఆ నుంచి లెఫ్ట్ తీసుకో ఫస్ట్. ఆడనే ఆడి ఒక గుడికి వచ్చేప్పుడు లెఫ్ట్ లో తీసుకో, స్టూడెంట్స్ ఎదురైతుంటారు. ఫస్ట్ ఫ్లోర్కి వచ్చాయి. ఒక్క నిమిషం. స్టూడెంట్స్ who are in the online, any more doubts? Saurav.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, Saurav.
Yes, sir. Sir, after completion of full stack, we can apply for backend and front end as well as full stack, right, sir?
Yes.
So while applying for backend, the interview will definitely ask question related to DSA, sir.
Ask about?
DSA, sir, data structure and algorithm, sir.
No,
For
they don't
backend.
ask. They don't ask anything. They don't ask. If they're specialized product-based company, they may touch it. But for the normal things, they don't ask. They ask NumPy and
Okay.
Pandas. NumPy and Pandas, they will ask.
Okay. So for a service-based company, they would not ask related to the DSA, right, sir?
No, they won't ask.
Okay, sir. That's it, sir. That's my knowledge.
Right.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Hindu Shah.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, ma'am.
Sir, can you please explain squeeze argument, sir, that you used?
Squeezing is nothing but what, ma? Nothing. After taking that particular column, we are just packing like. Squeeze is equal to true is an attribute in older versions.
Okay.
In our older versions. In present versions, you are having squeeze off function is there. Squeeze off function.
Okay.
Are you following? That's all, ma.
Okay.
Any more doubts, ma? Any more doubts, students? Any more doubts, students? Okay. So no doubts are there. I'll stop my class and I will upload these things and try to download it and try to practice this example, students. Thank you. All the best.